Save your participants time and keep them engaged by including logic in your survey. A few options include question display logic, simple branching, advanced branching, and IntelliMatrix. Question display logic, or QDL, looks like this: a decision question, then a follow-up question that's shown or hidden based on the response to the first question. For example, only someone who says yes to "Are you a manager?" should be asked "What type of management role?" People who say no should not. Question display logic is best used as a follow-up question to gather relevant data from the right people. To set QDL, hover over a question, choose More, and select Question Display Logic. You will identify the follow-up or show-hide question, the decision question, and the right answer. Then add the rule. You can use QDL to show or hide a follow-up question on the same page or later in the survey. Simple branching is a smart way to send each participant on the right path in your survey. To ask several follow-up questions only to managers, put those questions on the next page. Then set a rule about who should see them. Branching is page to page, so make sure you have all of your content in place before you set your rules. Hover over your decision question, choose More, and select Branching. You will set rules for which answers in this question lead to which page. Simple. Only managers will see these questions, and everyone else will be skipped to something more relevant. While simple branching lets you set an if-then condition based on answers to one question, advanced branching lets you use multiple conditions to set the participant path. For example, someone who answers yes to being a manager and says they have worked for the company 10 or more years. There might be a specific set of questions to ask them. It can be helpful to plan out each possible path with a flowchart, then create the right pages. Once all of your content is in place, hover over your first decision question, then click More and select Branching. Then choose Apply Advanced Branching. Set your conditions to match your plan and script your rule. Then save and preview to test. One final option is the IntelliMatrix. This feature multiplies the power of a matrix grid with the power of logic. Here, branching is applied inside of a matrix grid so that the answer to one question determines whether the participant is asked to answer the next question. This is perfect when you'd like to ask follow-up questions only to relevant groups, like those who attended a specific workshop. Set up an IntelliMatrix by applying the same simple branching steps on a matrix grid. Learn more about each of these features in their own videos and in our user guide. Fine-tune your data collection and improve engagement with logic options